Good morning. I'm pampering myself. Also look like this. Sometimes you just gotta treat yourself. Hi guys, it's a new Monday, it's a new week, and actually it's already almost 9:30 p.m. I haven't been very productive today. All I've done today is getting distracted by the internet, but I am going to do something right now, which is tackle this mess. Oh my god, look at this, look at that. In the vlog from yesterday, you could see that I moved all my stuff from my student room in Breda to here. That's because I won't be living there for an entire year due to exchange and internship. So yeah, I moved all of my personal belongings out of there, and the furniture, actually, I'm keeping my furniture over there, and someone else is going to is going into my room for 1 year. So yes, I do really have to make space for this right now, because I just have to sort things out and store things away. I just don't know where to start, but let's do this. That's heavy. I guess I'm gonna start with my clothes. Let's put all of this away. But first, whoa, let's put on some tunes. Let go. I thought I was done. Everything is stowed away in one corner of my room. It still looks freaking wretched, but at least it's at one place now. Not I can see the floor. But I just came downstairs and there are freaking 5 more like boxes or baskets filled with stuff, and which I totally forgot about, and now I'm just crying from the inside. I don't know what to do with my life. But at least everything for what was already in my room is done now. It's 12. I've been working on this for like 2.5 hours, which is not that bad. But I'm going to bed now because I have a dentist appointment tomorrow morning. I will see when I will do the rest. This is my room right now. Ridiculous. Good night. Good morning guys, it's Tuesday today, it's 11 AM and I am about to go to the dentist. I have a dentist appointment with my brother. Honestly, I haven't been in 1 year. Wow, you should go like every 6 months, so, but let's see. always, there's nothing wrong with my teeth. Super happy with that. So boring actually. But yeah, I went to the dentist. I went to the doctor to get some stuff I ordered. And now I'm here in my room again. Actually, I'm going to work on school. I know it's a summer holiday, but there's this quantitative research subject, which is just like an essay. The first time I handed it in and it was not finished, so I didn't pass. The second deadline, I decided to not hand it in either because it wasn't finished, and I was like, you can use 2 of the 3 opportunities, and the third opportunity is in August, so I want to finish it this week and hopefully finally done with it. But yeah, so it sucks so much. I hate it so much because I just don't understand it at all. I'm also going to eat some of this chocolate, which I got from my friends for my party. And it's milk with fudge and brownie. Looks like this, and the back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't know how I ended up here, but I'm in bed and I have been for a couple of hours, to be honest. I mean, the school assignment is just probably gonna happen when I'm in my retirement. I mean, at least I wasn't totally useless. I edited a main channel video, so that's ready to upload tomorrow. It's now 11 and I'm so tired, so I'm going to bed. I think I'm just going to edit the thumbnail real quick and then go to bed. So sorry that my vlogs are so boring, but I'm basically not doing anything. I just suck at life, basically. Tomorrow I want to wake up pretty early after hopefully a good night of sleep, and then hopefully get shit done. Hi guys, I haven't seen you in a while. Yesterday I actually didn't vlog because I felt pretty bad and basically spent my entire day in bed. Yeah, I really didn't feel well. I'm still not completely okay, but I'm better. I'm better than yesterday. Luckily, I wasn't completely useless yesterday. I uploaded a main channel video, which was a haul, and I edited 2 vlogs, which I'm uploading right now. So, yay. Yeah, today is Thursday, and I'm trying to get some shit done. So I made a pretty big to-do list. I already marked off 3 things. No, that's not true. Yeah, that is true. Right now it's almost 3 and I think I'm going to the bus station real quick to put some money on my public transport card because I'm going to be traveling tomorrow. And unfortunately in the summer holidays students can't travel for free anymore unless you have a weekend subscription, I guess, which I don't. I have a week subscription, so yeah. I do have 40% discount, so that's nice, but I don't know if I have enough money, so I'm going to check that and put some money on there. Why do you have 2 cans of powdered sugar? Okay, I finally put away all of the stuff I moved from Breda to my parents' house. So, looks like an absolute mess, but I guess it's fine. There's half of it, and then you have this half. Oh, this is ridiculous, but during the time that this stays here, I won't live here, so only like 3 more weeks to go in this mess. Then I'm going on exchange, then I will be back for a month or so, and then I will be going on internship, and after all that I will be moving back. So I don't think I will mind too much, but yeah, this is the only solution for now. I'm just sitting here minding my own business, and now I freaking lost my voice because of coughing. It sounds, what the hell is this? Hallo? Test. Hallo. Daar ben ik weer. Okay, I think I got it again. That was so weird. Good morning, guys. Today it's Friday, the 29th of July, not June. I don't know if you can tell, but my voice is pretty messed up. Last night I didn't sleep very well. I'm coughing a lot, and it's like this annoying cough that you don't really feel anything, you know? So you're just making a weird sound, but you don't actually cough or something like that. My throat is really swollen, and I have struggles breathing. And it started a few days ago, and I thought it was just my asthma, because sometimes I have that either in summer or in the winter. But my brother isn't feeling very well either, so I guess we're getting a cold or something. But this throat is really messed up because it hurts, it just sounds like shit, I feel like shit. But oh well. Today I'm actually going to Breda, where I live during the week, my student room. I'm going to hand the key to the girl that is going to live in my room for an entire year. So that's gonna be weird. We're also gonna visit my landlord together because he is in a hospital or rehabilitation center and he wants to meet her, so we're going there together. Afterwards, my plan was to go to Whitney, her parents' house, and we wanted to go out tonight to a party on the beach, but I don't feel very well, like I said, so I'm still not sure if I'm going. The thing is, I already have tickets, and that woman is trying to unlock a door that shouldn't be unlocked. I already got tickets, which were only €5, but the taxi is going to be €17 per person. We are going there with 3 people, and it's €17 per person, which is ridiculous. But if I'm not going, I can't let them pay my money. But at the same time, I don't want to pay for something I'm not actually using. So I'm just going to see along the way how I feel and if I'm going or not, I guess. I really want to go, and actually wanted to go to a festival tomorrow as well. But I decided to skip that because that's just dumb. So we'll see about tonight. I'm going to Breda now. It's so weird. My voice. It's so weird to be back in here. I left that open to defrost. It's turned off. Oh, I missed this bed already. Oh, so empty. I left this for her. She can use all of this if she wants. If she doesn't, then I have to find a way to take this back home. I miss this place already. How romantic. The bay. Cause you're the best. Hi guys, I haven't seen you in a while. It's Saturday morning right now, and as you can tell, my voice is still pretty fucked up. Also this morning I felt horrible, like I really do have a hangover. I know well. I cleared up a bit and I decided to go to a festival which is really close to Whitney's place because I got a free ticket, and if I don't like it then I can just go home. I had a huge headache, but it's gone now. And I'm just gonna drink a bunch of water. Just, the weather is nice, it's free, so I was like, okay, why not? Yeah, so I'm gonna put on some makeup right now, and then go. Hi guys, it's Sunday night right now, and honestly I don't want to say this again, but long time no see. honestly, that's because, wait, let me tell you a story. First of all, on Friday night I went out in Hoek van Holland, Villa on the beach. And yeah, it was just a nice night out with Dutch urban artists, which we really like. So yeah, that was a good night. Then the following morning I woke up, absolutely felt like shit. I don't know, when I moved, my head just felt like it was exploding, like something was pounding on my head, and I've been feeling sick for quite a while, so it was just too much for me to go out. But yeah, I actually decided Friday morning that I would go to the party, but I wouldn't go to the festival, which was the next day, because I just knew that would be stupid. So I decided that on Saturday morning as well, sat down in Whitney's garden and had lunch with her friends, because they were all going to that festival but I wasn't. I just planned to go home, and I was so tired as well. I was just basically sleeping in the garden. But then around 5 or 6 o'clock I just suddenly felt so good, and I was like, it's only 10 minutes of walking to the festival. I have a free ticket, the weather is nice, I can just check it out, and if it's not good then I could go home. So I did. And it was, I absolutely don't regret going, because it was so great, and I never really went to an actual festival or like that. They had like 3 different stages, and I really liked the vibe and everything. But yeah, I was just a whole day on water and ice cream for my throat, because as you can tell it's still pretty messed up. But the water gave me a lot of energy. Just only water. And yeah, I honestly had a really good time. And I also didn't vlog today or yesterday afternoon because I just wanted to talk as less as possible. So yeah, and when we got back, the festival actually ended at 12. We were so energetic that we wanted to go out, which we did. So we went to the city center of Vlaardingen and went out for like 2 hours or something. But it was nice to experience that as well. And yeah, it's just nice. I don't know, and this morning I woke up and felt so great, because water is just your best friend. So basically those last 2 days were actually a really long workout. But yeah, it's now 10 and I've been back from work for a little while now. I look like shit because I am I'm so tired and just my voice is messed up and everything, but other than that I feel fine. So yay. Now it's time to pack. That's my suitcase. Tomorrow I'm actually going to Prague with my family. We're going on a holiday, so we're going by car, so that's great, because then I can just sleep in the car and hopefully I will just feel okay. So we're going on a holiday, yay. Yeah, I'm going to pack now. I gave myself 20 minutes to pack everything, take off my makeup and brush my teeth, so that's gonna be a challenge. So for now I'm ending this vlog. My licorice just fell. I'm ending this vlog and I will see you tomorrow with a new one. Good night.